Welcome to Books Life, where books come to life. Today we gonna see the summary of the book, You Can Win. You Can Win is a self-help book written by Shiv Khera, published in 1998. The book is aimed at motivating and inspiring readers to achieve success in their personal and professional lives. The book comprises of 16 chapters that provide practical advice and strategies for success. The book highlights the importance of self-belief and positive attitude as the keys to success. It emphasizes on building confidence, setting goals, developing a positive attitude, managing time, and overcoming failures. It also stresses the importance of taking responsibility, building relationships, and continuous learning. The author uses inspiring stories, anecdotes, and quotes to illustrate his points and provides practical tips and exercises for readers to apply in their daily lives. The book encourages readers to take action, be persistent, and never give up on their dreams. Overall, You Can Win is a motivational book that provides practical advice and strategies for success. The author's simple and straightforward writing style, combined with his real-life examples, makes it a must-read for anyone looking to achieve their goals and live a fulfilling life. Thank you and bye. See you on another good video.